Welkom.
欢迎
Hoş geldiniz.
Welkom. Welkom at iTeam. Welcome at the iGathering 2022.
Welcome at the iGathering 2022. The theme this year is Kaizen, and that means change to improve. So let's go.
Almost everybody is here, all the partners, almost all the ambassadors, and almost all the countries. Very nice to see all those faces again.
You owe everyone a favor. Watch the population rise. And if you want them to like...
As every year, there are a lot of breakout sessions, so let's check them out.
People like to get involved and interact with us. We have live camera feeds to different areas of the building, and obviously people can use the machine and play with it.
It's amazing, eh? Again, also after the Interclean, we had a lot of people, a lot of excitement, and also here we have the session, a really handled session, so the IMOP light, but also the competition machines, and then we give a score. If you see the score, always the IMOP wins.
The name Kaizen, getting them to think differently, change the way they're thinking, you know, like we've done today in here. Don't just think about the standard traditional ways we work. Everybody's really engaged. It's been a pleasure to be here.
Synergy is the way, so come on and do display. The I is the brand, but the team is the way. We do this thing global, nothing gets in our way. Innovation is the theme, so come on and join the team.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion. Just my kind of heat, keep it on repeat. Testify the motion, loving this devotion.
I hope you had a wonderful time and enjoyed our show. It's more than a pleasure. Thank you very much.
I think now I'm really proud. I am inspired. I enjoyed, like I said on stage, every minute of what we did and every contact I made. I'm really proud and also a little bit tired. So I have to process a lot of things. We did a big thing, and I think also we touched a lot of people. And to me, it is about making an impact.